season is over. Boo. Boo, 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 boo. And for my birthday, I went on a little bit of a shopping spree, picking up fragrances and other items that make me feel like a baddie. In today's video, I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing of some of the items that I picked up, gifting myself all kinds of lovely goodies over the month of May that I want to now open up and share with you. I live by the motto, treat yourself, especially if we're out here working hard. It's about to be quick and dirty, y'all. So if that sounds like your kind of video, you love an unboxing as much as I do, then stick around and let's get into it.
Baby, can you give me just a little bit more of what I've been missing? We got...
Hi, I'm Jeanique, and we have a few items here. Fragrances, not fragrances, that I picked up to treat myself on my birthday, because even though Taurus season is over, boo, it doesn't mean I can't keep enjoying some of the lovely items that I picked up to celebrate it. So I did a bunch of shopping, not just at Sephora, not just fragrances, but this is what is left unboxed so far. So I'm gonna open them up with you and let you know what I think of everything. Because even though I have a fairly good sense of what everything smells like, because I didn't really blind buy for the sake of blind buying, I'm gonna share what I got anyway. Now, if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If you love a Perfume conversation, we do that over here. If you're already subscribed, I appreciate you. You're a real one. Now let's get into this unboxing, fragrances and other items that I got for my birthday that I haven't yet opened up. Let's get into it.
Give me just a little bit more of what I've been...
Sephora had like a 50% off sale on a bunch of fragrances and other items, and so I got a few things that I really wanted to grab. I didn't go crazy, y'all. I showed so much restraint. Also, a lot of the things that I actually wanted sold out real fast. So I didn't really have a choice on the restraint, low key. So fun. And you know, they give you that Sephora like gift, birthday gift. I wanted to pick that up as well. So let me just take you through what I got, name them before I open up the boxes. I finally picked up Burberry Goddess, the full-size bottle. I had a travel size that I'd been wearing down. I have the dupe, Latafa Angham Gold, just Angham, that I featured in a haul video recently, which I will link above. I also got Cosmic 2.0 from Kylie Jenner. Don't sleep on these celebrity fragrances, y'all. They are affordable for the most part, and some of them smell real good. So I'm gonna take you through and let you know what that gives. I also... finally got Vanilla Bourbon from Nest, because long overdue. I reviewed this in a Sephora just released like 20 fragrances video from like months ago. Oh, I'll also link that one. And this was in my top 10. Didn't pick it up at the time. I ended up getting Golden Nectar from Nest. It was time. I deserve nice things. I also got Dolce by Rosie Jane. Now, I'm proud of myself, y'all. Now, this is another fragrance that I got a travel size of like a year ago. Wore that down, finished that up. Very much enjoyed that fragrance. Yes, really enjoyed it, loved it. And I know that people are hating on this fragrance now because it's not the cool thing to love Dolce, even though when it went viral, it was sold out constantly. Now, people are shitting on it. I don't understand why. It's so sticky sweet and lovely. So lovely. So marshmallow. So lovely. I finally got a full-size bottle after finishing the travel fragrance. I previewed it and now I get to really enjoy it. I also got a little sample of Eau de Dullness. Have I tried this yet? No. But people love this fragrance as like a little bit of a freshie, so I'm curious to see what that smells like. I got a little votive candle from Nest as well. It's one of the free things you get on the Sephora side. This is grapefruit. I love a grapefruit scent. I got a Sephora Balm Glaze as one of the like random discounted items that I picked up because I love a balm, y'all. And I also got Freck Beauty Lip Liner. Have I ever bought anything from Freck? No. But the color looked good. It looks like a reddish brown of some kind in the same vein, but slightly darker than Max Mahogany. So I am excited. Got a little skin fix thing here. I wanted more fragrance samples. They did not have any, so I had to settle for skincare. Settling. And the gift that I picked up from Sephora, the one I picked up was this one here. This is from Makeup by Mario. Here's the thing. I have a lip balmy thing, same line, from Makeup by Mario. It's so good. It looks so good. It looks so good. It's so fire. I was shocked by how good it is. I feel like these aren't like highly rated, but I loved it. And I am worried this is not black girl, brown girl friendly because the color looks real light. But I really wanted makeup this time around. The fragrance they had as an option was not a perfume from Juliette Has a Gun New. It's not for me. Hair care, I never do hair care from Sephora. It's not for my hair, not really. And they had like a bunch of Laneige things, which I already had. Basically, the other things I'd already used had those rewards. I did not need them. But you give me a new lip product and I get real excited. So let's open up these fragrances and I'll tell you what they give because I'm so excited about them. We're gonna open up Nest first and foremost because am I most excited about this one? Y'all, I'm just realizing it's 3 vanillas. Goddess, vanilla bourbon, and Dolce. I did not branch out, y'all. I say I love other things like the florals of it all, but when it came down to it for my birthday, I went hard on the vanillas. So let's open this up. Vanilla bourbon. It's been a minute since I've tried this. Like it's like 6 months at least since I've tried this fragrance. So I'm happy to get a full size bottle. Let's try this baby out. See if it's as good as I remember. It's a vanilla, it's fresher, it's fruity, it's sweet, it's yummy. It is so pretty. It is so lovely. It's fire, y'all. It's fire and I got it. I got it. I'm so excited. I'm wearing that tomorrow. Yum. Let's open up Dolce from by Rosie Jane. I have not tried any other fragrances from by Rosie Jane. I should branch out because they have other things. Not just this one. I've just not been motivated to see what they give. This is not as like sticky sweet as, I know it gets sweeter. And especially like the longer you have it, because I say I have a travel size of it. As the vanilla matures, it gets heavier and sweeter, which is so very lovely. But this version is like a lot lighter and fresher, which is how I remember it was in the beginning. So we're getting more of that. Now, I know that a lot of times when, you know, the items are discounted by Sephora, especially up to like 50% off, most of the time it's because these are items that people don't really want, people aren't very excited about, and you are basically getting the dregs. I don't care. When it comes to perfumes, there are no dregs. There are no bottom of the barrel. There's things you like or don't like, and if they're on sale, they're on sale. And even if this is not viral anymore and people aren't paying full price anymore, it still smells like a good ass vanilla that I very much enjoy. And now I get to add a whole bottle that was like $70 Canadian, so like 50 US, to my collection on the cheap. Because I want to say the travel size wasn't much less than that at the time. You know what I mean? Finally, it's a Burberry Goddess. I love this bottle so much. Like, I know what this smells like. She is pretty. She is lovely. She is sexy. She is a lavendery vanilla vibe. It's so fresh. It's so light. It's like an everyday vanilla that doesn't lean into the sweeter, heavier elements that vanilla can give. Finally, we're going to open up the last fragrance of these, and it is Kylie Jenner's Cosmic 2.0. Now, did I walk into this store and think to myself, I'm about to buy a Kylie Jenner fragrance? No, I did not. I just wanted to test it out to see what it smelled like because I had no sense of it. I tried this one and Cosmic 1.0, and this was the one I really liked. See if it's as good as I remember. Yes, y'all. This smells like a pink floral, like a peony or something like that. A very light floral with vanilla, sweet fruit. It feels like a spring, summer, sweeter floral fragrance with just like a very inviting, warm, pretty. There smells like a slight lactonic element in here. I don't know if there is. A little bit of a light coconut or a little bit of a light milk in here. Very sweet, everyday, like girl next door, pretty girl fragrance. A lot of people love this fragrance. They talk about it being one of Juliette Has a Gun's, like, you know, best ones. But the name alone had not drawn me in. So I'm gonna try it out. It's not like a basic fresh fragrance. There is some sweetness to it. And something floral, maybe a white floral like Lily of the Valley or Jasmine. But generally speaking, I'm into that. Would I buy it? I don't know. I'd have to give it more time with me. It's not the type of scent profile I generally go for. But I like it. So this is the Freck Beauty. Like I said, it was giving mahogany from, there we go. Mahogany from MAC type vibe. So like a deep brown with a reddish undertone, which is a color combination or a color that I tend to like with, you know, the lip looks, the lippy looks. This is the balm. It looked nice and rich. It reminded me of this Fenty lip gloss, lip oil thing that I have. It's very good as well, lip stain. And it looked like that without the staining effect. So I'm going to just try this out. Yeah, it's like a very reddy kind of pinky kind of balm. Even balm I'd wear every day. I do like a color on the lip. I'm not a like brown on the lip every day. Give me some color, baby. The grapefruit smells good. I love grapefruit candles more than like most other types of candles for some reason. I just think it just makes the home smell nice. That citrusy, grapefruity smell. It smells very bright and morning heavy. I'm most nervous about the makeup by Mario because they were trying to find a universal color because it was one of the birthday options. However, y'all, is there such a thing when it comes to colored lip products? No, it doesn't. So let's try this out. I'm gonna try this lip liner. Okay, this is good. This is good. It's not too light. It's not too light. This reminds me of something like Cork. Just a little bit lighter than Cork from MAC. I love that all of my reference for all lip products is MAC. Let's see. I'm telling you, this line, this is Rosewood Glow from the Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. The other color that I have from this line is like an orangey color. Y'all, it looks so good. It looks so good. I cannot even tell you. The color on this is Ultra Sway Sculpting Lip Pencil in Rich Mauve. This don't look like a rich mauve. It does not. It's like a brownie mauve, maybe. Theoretically. Okay, no, this is not too light. I think they go together. Can you see that? Yeah, it all look good. I wish I didn't have anything on. I could like do a little bit of a tester, a little bit of a demonstration for you if that was a thing. But this is like a good work lip combo where you're just not going too over the top and too bold with it. I think this will be a very, very nice as a neutral lip combo on me. Those were all of the items that I picked up for my birthday. Did I get other items that are right here next to me that I'm not going to like unbox? I already unboxed them. Yeah, so I got this one. There is an unboxing like short coming at some point. This is Oscar de la Renta, New York. It's a strawberry fragrance, very light, spring, summer, sweet, strawberry, floral, pink floral kind of vibes. And I also finally got Fame Le Parfum, which is a thick, creamy mango fragrance. I love me the original Fame. I have the original Fame and I'd wanted to get the Le Parfum version, which is like a thicker nighttime version of that beautiful combo. And I finally did, but these were already unboxed. I don't think I did this on camera. I don't think I unboxed this on camera, but I definitely did with this one. I just haven't edited and posted it yet. So that is to come and that will get featured at some point. But those were all the items that I picked up. As you can see, I went perfumey heavy for my birthday in terms of what I wanted to treat myself with, because that's usually the case. I also got a couple of outfits. I will insert my birthday outfits because it was giving y'all. This dress spoke to me because it was red. It was long. It was giving snatched in terms of how it sat on me. And I had a vision that it was going to give. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. I'm going to show you. Don't get up all my business because it's going to be my bathroom, which is like not perfectly like perfect for the internet, but I'm going to show you anyway this dress because y'all, I was so excited about it. What is it about Fenty products and the staining of it all? I am not complaining, but when I tell you, when I put on this Fenty lip, I'm going to call that, it's supposed to be a lip oil, lip balm thing. That's how it feels, but it performs like a lip stain because when I put on this bright pink, I wiped it off because I was just testing it out. I wiped it off like 2 minutes later. Like I put it on and admired. I looked. I was like, oh, this is so cute. Then I wiped it off. It wouldn't come off. it would not come off. I was like, my lips are pink for the rest of the day. That's just how it's going to be. And I love that kind of quality because their lip liner, same thing. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me and checking out, just unboxing these items with me, so I wouldn't have to do it all alone. It was fun to share all the new Love fragrances, which is allegedly like all vanillas basically. It's basically all vanillas that I bought for my birthday. 3 out of 4 were vanillas. What? I know I love vanillas, but that feels excessive. Anyway, thanks for being here. I really do appreciate it. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. You're a real one. I really do appreciate it. Again, I'm Jeanique, a lover of vanillas. Trying to extend this a little bit disgusting. Yeah. And I was excited to share every single vanilla I bought for my birthday this year because I deserve it and you deserve to hear all about it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I want you to know what you're in for. Can you take it? Build you up to watch it all fall down.